Welcome to Fort Myers Beach.
Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
We are at our home that we rented, and I'm gonna do a little show and tell. If you're looking for a vacation for a family that you need 5 bedrooms for, we have you covered. This is where we're at. We have our own private driveway, so there's lots of space. It looks like they might be building a house over here soon. This is where we are. It is a 3-story home, and you can get into the pool from this backside, or we can go right in from the front door. It is cute. You have a nice little entrance. It does have stairs, so if you're with a party that can't do stairs, that is something to consider, but a lot of these homes do have a lot of stairs because they are near the beach. I love all of the cute decor. So adorable. And then if you look out the window here, you can see the beach. In here, we do have the laundry, so you are welcome to do laundry. There's a wash sink. This place has a ton of amenities. They even had a lot of sunscreens that were left behind. It's one of those places where they do allow you to use these things that you would want in your home. So many fun details. So if you like that beach theme vibe, this is gonna be the place for you. We also have a bathroom right off the main entrance. We love the mirrors because they are fantastic for getting ready. I mean, look at that. Gorgeous lighting every time. But I do want this mirror in my home. And it's even beach themed in the bathroom. But you got a bathtub, or not a bathtub, but a toilet right off the front. And then we come into this room. It's really fun because we love to play cards. You have a full-on dining room table where you can eat, and it is, again, beach themed. Not only that, they do have a wine fridge, so you can store your beverages in here. Coffee maker, blender, and they also do have one thing of water that you can get. You can always buy more. But then you also have an ice maker. Oh, that's the trash. This is the ice maker and bar sink. This is the kitchen. I love how bright and airy it is. Also, another drink fridge. So if you love beverages like my family does, you are gonna have a ton of space for them. Beach house. It has everything that you could need. We did a seafood boil because it does have large pots for seafood boils. Everything that you could think about needing. Really cute lighting, a lot of fun details. A microwave, oven, sub-zero fridge for, you guessed it, food, beverages, ice. And we come over here, you got everything that you need as far as toasters, Keurig, coffee grinder, coffee maker again, so no shortage of coffee here. Tons and tons of dishes, so you don't have to do dishes all the time. A really good dishwasher, beautiful sink, and you have entertainment. You have a pool table, comes with the pool sticks, a lovely area that's actually comfortable, which is surprising. I feel like a lot of the times when I stay at Airbnbs, they don't have the best comfort when it comes to couches. But this one is nice, it's comfortable, and you can totally fit a good-sized family on here. And then there's 2 other chairs over on that side that you can sit in as well. Before we go outside, we are going to go into the first 2 bedrooms. We've got 2 bedrooms, so right here, this is the one that I'm staying at. I made the bed for you guys, but it is a large bed. I believe it's either a queen queen or a king. I think it's a king. It looks pretty big, so I'm thinking it might be a king bed. And we have our bathroom. This is a full bath and shower. I do love that they have this like extra storage so I can throw my items in there. And again, the beautiful mirror so I can do my makeup and see myself in the mirror. Closets and hangers. I love that, having a spot to make it look like your own, and especially because we're staying for a full week, it's really nice to have that option. The air conditioning works great too. And then this is the other bedroom and bathroom. They all have fans, and then they also have the mirrors. There you go. Tap it to turn it on, or you can just turn it off with the buttons when they have it. But this is a full shower, glass shower. Every room does have a TV in it as well, and I do love that they have those side tables for putting your stuff and storing it. And then if we go upstairs, we did not put my parents up here, but we do have stairs. They are quite steep. And then we have a whole nother sitting area with another TV. They are all smart TVs. Another washer dryer, hot pad, toaster oven, more coffee, seating area, large bathroom, sitting area. Look at how cute. And you can see outside to the canal. And this one also does have a steam shower as well. Full-on steam shower, multiple showers. And then this is a bedroom. This is a bedroom. My brother's staying in here and it's a little messy, not gonna lie. Probably should have done this before everyone moved in. Seating area with a desk. And then there's another room, armoire, spot to store everything, a big bathroom, again with the fancy mirrors, and a nice big shower. Oh, and a little countertop too for in the bathroom. And then in the other bedroom there is two twin beds. Now we're outside. The only bad thing is there is construction going on across the way, but they seem to almost be finished. And then you have a little patio set here. This is the top deck, and you can see that we're on the canal. You can see the boats coming in and out over there. And then if we go up the stairs, and then this is nice because the backyard doesn't get very sunny in the afternoon. It's fantastic in the morning though. Look at this. You can literally see like everything all around you. The boats, the ocean. You can see the sunset. It's really gorgeous. There is a pool and a hot tub and lounge chairs and a boat dock. If you're planning to come visit and you do have a boat, you can do so. I had a dream that I fell down these stairs while filming this. Jumped in the ocean.
That's a good place for it.
So we got, he's playing his music. I found a Peter. Doesn't that look lovely?
Yeah.
A little tiki bar. Chairs. Another ice maker. TV that works. Speakers so you can hear it. They also have a grill where we grilled some hamburgers. Beverages, you have outlets. And there's even a bathroom down here. And shower. So you really have a ton of options. So you never have to like go inside to use the restroom because you got one right off. And another TV. Heated pool, heated spa. And all the shops, the restaurants, everything is a quick walk. We walk every night. We hardly ever take our car. So everything is super easy to get to. It's a little paradise away from home. This is our tiki hut. Isn't it cute? This is our pool. Woo! Kaylee enjoying the sun, taking selfies.
I was.
Whoop, whoop. Oh, I'm like in your sun. No.
I don't mind. It's blinding.
It's blinding. Blinding by the light.
Blinded
By the light.
We're gonna see if ChatGPT can add in the effect of a shark taking you away as you get to the water.
Oh,
Can I be the shark?
Julia, send it.
Hey there, what you drinking? Two shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. Don't look at the past, no, we're not going that way. Oh, now make it last, make it last to the break of day. No matter what people say, live life in a fast lane. Double shot for the gifted, triple shot for the pain. There you go, drink it up, all this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise.